Fine hair isn't the problem, your styling is. These are 9 tips you'll wish you knew sooner. The first one makes a huge difference for fine hair. Don't wait until your hair looks oily. Apply a dry shampoo powder at the roots on day 1 to prevent the oil from building up in the first place. Fine hair gets weighed down quickly, so staying ahead of the oil helps your volume last longer and adds a nice airy lift. Here is where a lot of people go wrong. On fine hair, perfectly shiny and silky hair can actually make hair look thinner and flatter. A light, dry texture or volume spray on dry hair gives you separation, plumps the hair up, and makes it look fuller. You might lose a little shine, but you will gain body. So decide what you want more, mirror shine or thicker looking hair. The next one is such an easy way to gain volume. Use your head as a giant round brush. Blow dry the hair up and away from the scalp, wrapping the sections over your head as if it was a round brush. This gives lift at the root without needing a ton of tools. This is another area where fine hair gets sabotaged. Don't overwash, but don't wait too long either. Aim for washing every 2 to 3 days. Washing too often equals stripped dry hair. Waiting too long equals buildup that weighs roots down and kills volume. And honestly, with how much product and time it takes for you to get that volume in the first place, why waste product and time doing it daily when every 2 to 3 days works better? All right, you guys, be honest. How many of you are everyday washers and how many of you are going every 2 to 3 days? I wanna know what is working best for you and curious how many of you might be overwashing. For fine hair, go for a textured powder at the roots instead of a textured spray. Powders give more grip and lift exactly where you need it, and it helps keep the hair in place without added hairspray. Most people douse their hair with mousses and volume sprays from roots to ends, but here's what actually works instead. If your goal is maximum root lift, keep your volumizing products where the volume starts, at the roots. Anything else on the ends can weigh your hair down. Keeping volume products at the roots helps your root volume last longer while your ends stay light and natural. Once you've mastered root lift, the key is to keep it. Spray volume, texture, and hairspray up into the hair instead of down onto it. Spraying downward can actually collapse the hair and make even lightweight products feel heavy. Spraying upward creates lift, separation, and hold without weighing hair down. If you ever noticed that your hair looks flat right after styling it, then that is probably the problem. And if you don't want to add more product, do this instead. Switch your part up. Hair gets trained to lay flat wherever you part it. Simply changing your part instantly creates lift, movement, and a fuller look at the roots. No extra product needed. It is one of the easiest ways to refresh volume, especially on fine hair. If your hair gets weighed down easily by conditioner, try the reverse washing technique. Condition first, rinse, then shampoo. This keeps the hair light and airy, but still conditioned enough to stay healthy. Try one tip at a time, your fine hair will thank you. If you want my favorite products for fuller, thicker hair, watch the video on the next screen. I'm also building a website with my best volume tips and my favorite product recommendations all in one place. So if you're interested in being notified when it launches, I have put a link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.